Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of little for markets to get excited about today. Firstly, equity markets in New York are marking time with a soft bias. The S&P 500 is down 0.2% in mid-afternoon session. More big banks are reporting earnings, and these latest ones aren't doing as well. European markets closed just on the positive side overnight, and in late trading in Asia yesterday, the optimism earlier in the day vanished in both Hong Kong and Shanghai, with both closing with small losses. Tokyo, however, was a standout, holding onto its gains and closing up 1.4%. In the US, another of the regional Fed surveys is out, this time for the New York region, and its outlook for factories there stumbled in April, even as the index of current conditions stayed up. It is another signal of growing headwinds in the American economy and comes after similar faltering in Philadelphia and Dallas regions. None of them have positive new orders growth. In Canada, the just released data on March housing sales remained downbeat in March after the big fall in February. Home sales are now near some of their lowest levels recorded in the past 6 years. And the downbeat Canadian attitudes extend into business. A Bank of Canada survey shows business sentiment shifted from a strongly positive level in the winter survey and is now slightly negative as business sentiment weakens. In China, a telling anecdote has emerged. For more than 60 years, the Canton Trade Fair has showcased China's export prowess. But this year, things are not well. Organisers report falling demand for booths in their show and are glum about what this means for their export trade ahead. So at home, infrastructure stimulus is important, and it seems to be working. Sales of excavation equipment in China are booming. The country's 25 leading excavator makers sold 44,500 units in March, the highest monthly sales on record, and almost 16% more than March 2018. And the March 2019 numbers are 70% higher than those for February. The US Treasury 10-year yield has held on to its firmer level at 2.55%. Their two-turn curve is little changed at 16 basis points, and their negative 1 to 5 curve is still at minus 6 basis points. Gold is marginally softer at $1,288 an ounce. That's down $2. US oil prices are also little changed, although marginally softer, still just on $63.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just on $71.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will start today little changed at 67.6 US cents. On the cross rates, we are softer at 94.2 Aussie cents, and against the euro, unchanged at 59.8 euro cents. That leaves the TWI at 72.1. And I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.